the 327, 250 horsepower V8. This is numbers matching, NCRS documented. It's attached to a 4-speed manual transmission that is attached to the date code correct rear end. Guys, this is a 1962 Corvette 327, 250 horsepower. It's been NCRS documented 4 times. We have certificate for all the Topflight, so it's been Topflight all 4 times. It also has recognized here all of those 4 from the NCRS, and I do have a lot more paperwork and a folder full of stuff, also a binder full of all the restoration, all the numbers on it. But that is everything that you need in this caliber of Corvette. In the last one, 2019, let's see, it was final score was 96.5. So to be awarded that, that's definitely in the top 5% of C1s documented like that. So it just shows that the caliber of this Corvette is definitely above a lot of the rest. And also it's like a 2006 Concours D'Elegance awarded as well. So that again is a very high prize nationally. The last Topflight was in a regional here in Arizona, and then the 3 others were in California. All the gauges do work: tack, fuel, temp, battery, oil. The clock, like most of them, does not work, but the fans do work. It's got a nice little squeak. And I was pretty sure we'll let that turn on. We'll get back to that around at the end as well. Make sure that stereo works. This one does have 2 tops, so it does have the hard top. This is done in a Fawn Beige exterior, Fawn Beige interior. 4-speed manual transmission. The soft top, that's obviously back in the back, is just as nice as the hard. And there you can see the stereo. Just takes a little while for it to kick on with that, but that one does work. That is an FM, or I'm sorry, AM, non-FM. Headlights, tail lights, turn signals do work. From restoration, this has 3,100 and almost 26 miles, so not very much at all. All 4 speeds do engage as they should. Now this is not the highest horsepower one. Obviously if it was the 340 horsepower, it'd be asking for a lot more money with it. And they have definitely been bringing that bigger amount. Roughly in about that 150 to 180 in this caliber, in this condition of Corvette, top flighted that many times. It just this one here, I mean, you're literally can get in your C1 last year, rare color, beautiful color combination, all the good stuff. It's got all the originality. Everything's documented, numbered 4 times. So that's the greatest thing with this one, is that you just really get all of the documentation from multiple judges on there. So it's not just one here and there picking and choosing. And if everybody knows or dealt with the NCRS judges, they are very particular on exactly what everything is, just down to what nuts and bolts that are used on it. This one, obviously, to be awarded that high is mostly all original. Like always, like, subscribe, follow all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, everything for all the new news related to the classic car industry. Thanks for watching.